Today's video, I will show you how to make this beautiful bracelet. So, let's start. And the first is we will make the loop part. So I pick 6 11 seed beads, and I pass the needle once again and knot them. So it will be like this. Now pass the needle to the 2 seed beads, and I will pick and I will go to the next process. So I pick 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 seed beads, 1 4mm of pearl beads, 1 11 1 pearl, and 1 11. So I put it down. And I put it down like this. So I will pass the needle from the opposite side of our working thread, just like this. So we're exiting here. And I will handle like this. And I will pass the needle to the 3 11 seed beads. Like this. And the next is, I will pick 3 11 We are exiting here, and I will go back here to this 11 and pass the needle to these 2 seed beads. We're exiting here. So pull the thread. It will be like this. So the next step is, I will pick 2 11 So we're exiting here, and I will pass the needle to these 3 11 here, and plus 2 11 like this. So pull the thread like this, and I will make it 2 more. So 2 11 pass the needle to these 3 seed beads, pull the thread, pick again 2, so pick 2 and pass the needle to these 3 seed beads, and to the rest of 11 1 2 3 4 units to this part of our bracelet. So we are going to make the second unit. So I will pick once again the first combination of our beads. So we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 1 pearl, 1 11 1 pearl, and 1 11 So I'll put it down. And you are exiting here. So I will go back here to this 11 Pull the thread. What? Oh my god. And I'm exiting here, and I will pass the needle to the free 11 like this. So I'll pass and pull the thread. And I will pick 311. So I'll pick, oh my god. So I picked 311, and we're exiting here. Now go back to this 11 and pass the needle to the next 11. So we are sewing 2 seed beads. It will be like this. Next is I will pick 211 and I pass the needle to these 3 seed beads. And I will make it 2 more units. I pick 211, pass the needle to these 3 seed beads, pull the thread, and I will pick 2 more seed beads and pass the needle here, here, and here. So remember, we have only 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Okay, so this is our bracelet for today, and I will make the other unit and I'll be back. So this is the bracelet that we made, and I made about 15.5 centimeters. So it's okay, 15.5, because we have a chain here and a clasp. So we will attach them, the clasps and chain. So the first is the clasp. So I will attach our clasp. Like this. And our chain. So we have here, and done. So this is our bracelet for today. I hope you like it, and I hope I can give you some ideas for your bracelet making. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye, see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.